one of the most desired releases of shoes. My brother was like, "What? You must be kidding." I'm like, "No, really, look." Hi guys, welcome to a very special unboxing. Today I'm gonna open Nike Air Jordan 4, very special project in collaboration with Off-White. This is like a release of shoes that the world have been waiting most this year. I'm gonna open this box with you and we're gonna find out how amazing those shoes are. This was the first pair I've ever gotten while participating in a drop, and after that my journey with the shoes just started and it just continued ever since. So that really changed the way I looked at shoes, the way I appreciate them. I appreciate every small detail. So I'm looking so much forward to share this amazing first pair I've ever gotten in a drop with you. Wow! Are you ready to open a box with me? I mean, look at the box itself. It's transparent holes and circles all around the box. And I can see, yes, it's Air Jordan 4 special edition with Off-White Flight. Let's see what's in it. Wow! Oh my goodness. Like transparent paper already here. You can see Off-White. Yeah, let's go. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited to share this really unique edition of shoes with you. Let's take off another one too. Wow. We also have the laces in here. So this is like the whole set. I mean, what I can see straight away is this lovely creamy colorway. It's just amazing, and you know, everything is leather and I can actually smell the leather from here. It's just something else. So what I would put a big attention to is basically Jumpman hang tag. It's something really special from Air Jordan 4. And even the chain, you know, normally it's silver, but in this collaboration it's white, so they painted it. So it's, you know, kind of elevating these shoes even further and putting it in a even more premium category than it already is. Another thing is, of course, this zig tag, which is quite unique for Off-White, and of course we have it here. Do not remove, remember. They also added 3 shoelace set. So we have this nice kind of minty color, then we have black ones. We also have, of course, creamy shoelaces. So we have 3 pairs of shoelaces on top of the creamy ones here. What else do we have here? We have Air, this special bolded in here, very off-whitey. Air Jordan inside. And here we have this very nice transparent detail too. You can feel that it's been done by a professional fashion designer. It's amazing. And here you have the branding of Off-White underneath the net on both of the shoes. I mean, this is incredible. And of course, Jumpman logo here, also illuminated. And here we can see how nicely it was done, and we can see all the details of these shoes. It's just phenomenal. Really timeless, unique, and definitely a special edition of shoes. Like Virgil Abloh and his team has made an amazing job together with Nike. I mean, personally, I love this Nike Air Jordan 4 style format and how they look like. So I really recommend it to anyone who wants to elevate their outfit on a daily basis. This pair was first introduced on Paris Fashion Week back in 2020, fall winter, and after that Virgil Abloh himself donated an autographed pair. These shoes were actually sold for $187,000 on an auction, and all the money collected from it were donated for the charity Black Lives Matter. So it's a big deal. Quality, colorway, wow, and design. Thank you so much guys for joining for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button below not to miss any releases of shoes. I'm gonna link apps and pages that I really like following about sneakers in my description below, so make sure to check it out. And I'm gonna see you in the next video guys.